Hello everyone, I am Dr. Girija Nagendra Swami, Associate Professor of Chemistry, Maharani Science College for Women, Mysore. In this video, we shall discuss about alkaloids. Under this chapter, I'll proceed to definition of alkaloids, classification of alkaloids based on heterocyclic rings present in them, isolation of alkaloids, synthesis and structural elucidation of nicotine. In the next video, I'll take up synthesis and structural elucidation of morphine, physiological importance of alkaloids. Alkaloids are plant-produced basic compounds which contain one or more heterocyclic rings and can cause marked physiological activity in humans. Alkaloids are classified into pyridine alkaloids, for example nicotine, piperidine alkaloids, piperine, quinoline alkaloids, quinine, isoquinoline alkaloids, morphine, indole alkaloids, strychnine. Occurrence and extraction of alkaloids. Alkaloids occur chiefly in plants of dicotyledonous family and are localized in seeds, leaves, bark, or roots of the plant. They are generally found as source of plant acids such as oxalic acid, citric acid, or tartaric acid. The powdered plant material is digested with water and acidified with mineral acid like HCl. The mineral acid liberates the alkaloid from their salts with plant acids and converts them into hydrochlorides. The aqueous layer containing the hydrochlorides of alkaloids and soluble plant impurities is treated with base like sodium hydroxide. The insoluble alkaloids that are set free precipitate out. The solid mass so obtained is extracted with ether. Alkaloids pass into solution and impurities left behind. The ether extract is evaporated to give a mixture of pure alkaloids. Now I'll take up nicotine. It's a pyridine alkaloid. It is also called pyridine pyrrolidine alkaloid. This is the structure of nicotine. It contains pyridine ring and N-methyl pyrrolidine ring. It occurs to the extent of 2 to 8% in dried leaves of tobacco plant. In small doses, nicotine stimulates the central nervous system for a while. That is why smokers crave for it via cigarettes, cigar, or pipes. In large doses, nicotine causes depression, respiratory paralysis, and finally leads to death. It kills insects on contact, so it is used in sprays against leaf-sucking pests. Now I'll go to structural elucidation of nicotine. So the first point here is molecular formula. Nicotine contains 10 carbon atoms, 14 hydrogen atoms and 2 nitrogen atoms. Second point, we have to show that there are 2 tertiary nitrogen atoms in nicotine. This is done by reacting nicotine with methyl iodide. 1 mole of nicotine reacts with 2 moles of methyl iodide to give dimeth iodide, showing that both the nitrogen atoms of nicotine are tertiary in nature. Third point is presence of a pyridine ring. On oxidation with chromic acid or nitric acid, nicotine gives nicotinic acid. Nicotinic acid is nothing but pyridine tricarboxylic acid. The formula of side chain is obtained by subtracting the molecular formula of pyridine from the molecular formula of nicotine. This is the molecular formula of side chain. Fourth point is structure of side chain. This is done by distilling nicotine zinc chloride complex with lime gives pyridine, pyrrole and methylamine. This indicates that side chain is a pyrrole derivative. When heated with concentrated HI at 200 to 300 degrees centigrade, nicotine forms methyl iodide. This proves that methyl group in the side chain is attached to nitrogen atom. To account for the side chain, it may be written as N-methyl pyrrolidine ring. There are two possibilities of attaching side chain to pyridine ring through second position and through third position. This is confirmed by the following reaction. Nicotine isometh iodide on oxidation with potassium ferricyanide yields nicotone, which on oxidation with chromium trioxide produces hygrinic acid. Therefore, the side chain N-methyl pyrrolidine ring is bonded to pyridine ring through its second position. Fifth point is, from all the above reactions, the structural formula of nicotine may be constructed like this. The structure of nicotine has been confirmed by the following synthesis. Synthesis of nicotine involves following steps. First step is nicotinonitrile is treated with Grignard reagent. Addition reaction takes place followed by hydrolysis converts into ketone. The above ketone is made to react with hydroxylamine. Oxime is formed. In the third step, oxime formed is reduced with zinc and acetic acid. Primary amine is obtained in which NOH group is converted into NH2. The fourth step, primary amine formed above reacts with hydrogen bromide heated to 150 to 155 degrees centigrade. Ethoxy group react with hydrogen bromide. Ethyl alcohol is removed and bromine is coming in place of OC2H5. In the fifth step, cyclization takes place with the removal of hydrogen bromide. In the last step, above product is treated with methyl iodide and sodium hydroxide. Methylation takes place. A racemic form of nicotine is formed. The product was resolved by means of dextrorotatory tartaric acid. The synthetic levorotatory nicotine was found to be identical with the natural product. Thank you.